Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's IELTS listening and reading practice, we're going to solve a gap-filling question based on the topic culture. This type of question is very common in the IELTS exam, so learning the right strategy can help you improve your score. Before we begin, let's read the instructions carefully. Complete the summary below. Choose no more than 2 words from the passage for each answer. This instruction is extremely important. If you write more than 2 words, your answer will be marked incorrect, even if the meaning is right. Now, let's understand the summary. The passage starts by explaining that culture shapes the way people think, behave, and communicate. It includes language, beliefs, traditions, art, and many other aspects of life that are passed down from one generation to another. Now let's look at blank number 1. One key role of culture is to give people a sense of. Think about what culture gives people. It usually provides a feeling of belonging or identity. Look for words in the passage that match this meaning exactly. Remember, don't guess. Always choose words directly from the passage. Now, move to blank number 2. Culture promotes. The sentence continues by saying that people respect and learn from different customs and viewpoints. This suggests the answer will relate to understanding, respect, or appreciation of diversity. Pay attention to keywords like respect, different customs, and viewpoints. Next is blank number 3. When people understand other cultures, it can reduce. Ask yourself, what problems can cultural understanding reduce? The answer should logically fit the sentence and also match the passage exactly. Finally, let's look at blank number 4. It is important to protect and preserve our cultural. Think about what we usually preserve: our traditions, identity, or heritage. Find the exact words used in the passage before writing your answer. Now, here are 3 quick IELTS tips for gap-filling questions. First, read the instructions carefully and never exceed the word limit. Second, use grammar and sentence meaning to predict the type of word you need before looking for the answer. Third, after filling every blank, read the complete sentence again to make sure it sounds natural and makes logical sense. That's it for today's practice. Pause the video now, try to complete all 4 blanks on your own, and then check your answers. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends preparing for IELTS. Good luck with your preparation, and I'll see you